Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix something went wrong tap to retry on YouTube. So guys, when you have opened your YouTube in iPhone or in iPad and facing this type of issue, something went wrong again and again, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to go back. So guys, after going to back, you need to open your settings on your iPhone, and guys, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And if you have connected already any Wi-Fi, you have to click on your Wi-Fi name and forget your network, and after this you need to reconnect it again. And if you're using mobile data, make sure that you have selected 4G or 5G network on your device. And after this you need to click on general and click on VPN and device management. So guys, if you have connected any VPN, simply you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you need to go back, and maybe there is network problem, you have to reset your network settings from here, and after doing this you have to go back. So guys, now you have to open your app store in your iPhone, and here you need to search YouTube. So guys, as you can see here, simply you have to search here YouTube app, and guys, after this you have to wait for some seconds and you have to open your YouTube app. So guys, if your app is not updated, simply you need to update your app, and after doing update your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing update, if still not fix your problem, you have to open your settings again, and guys, you have to click on general again, click on iPhone storage, and guys, after this you have to wait for some seconds. From here you need to find YouTube. So guys, when you have find your YouTube, you have to open your YouTube app, and guys, you need to click on offload and click on offload, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again, and guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.